me Ashweet Kaur, Assistant Professor of IT Department in Vianney Group of Colleges. I am here to explain on the topic searching techniques. This is also in my last video lecture I have taught you about artificial intelligence. This topic is also under that artificial intelligence, that is searching technique. Here we will be looking for how we can search for the nodes from a tree. Like, I have an example of two, that is depth first search and breadth first search. Depth is that we will be moving towards the depth of the nodes, that is from A and then level second and level third and then level fourth. In depth first search, we are having node A, B, C, D, E and F. In this we start exploring the nodes. Suppose first we explore node A. Then now the next step is that we will be exploring the nodes, removing the nodes, and we will be adding the parents. From the parents we will be moving towards the children's. This DFS is done with stack and BFS is done with queue. Here we have first A, right? And now we will be having two children, that is two connecting nodes B and C. Now we will be removing the parent node and we will be writing the child nodes, that is B and C. What we have done, we have removed the parent node and we have explored its two child nodes. Now B is written here and it's now the turn of the top one item, that is C. Now what we will be doing, we will be removing the C and we will be writing its two children, that is D and E. Now what is at the top of the stack, that is E. Now we will be removing the E and we will be writing its connecting node. There is only one child, that is F. That is F. Now we have seen that F doesn't have any connecting node or any further child. So now it's the time that we should backtrack that what are the remaining nodes that we didn't have explored yet. That is D and E. F is done, that is only D and E are left. So now our result is A, C, E, F, D and then B. That is from the level 0, then 1, then 2 and then 3rd, we have explored all the nodes, and after we have explored all the nodes, we will exploring the rest of the nodes we didn't have explored. Basically, the difference between depth first search and breadth first search is that in the depth first search, we will be moving to each level in an increment way, that is in ascending order. Whereas in breadth first search, we will be exploring all the nodes if we are at that level. Suppose in breadth first search, if we take, that is we are on level 0, then we have to explore all the nodes of level 0. Whenever we come to level 2nd or 1st, we have to explore all the nodes of level 1st, that is level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3. As I have told you that we will be exploring breadth first search with queue. We have a queue, that is first in, first out. Whereas in depth first search it is last in, first out. We have A, right? Now the turn is of child nodes, that are the connecting nodes. That is, we will be removing A and we will be writing its child nodes, that is B and C. Now, always what happens is, we insert the nodes from this side and we remove the nodes from this side, that is front and rear. We will be adding the nodes from the front and we will be removing the nodes from the rear position. Now, C will be removed and its connecting nodes will be written here. That is, B will shift to this side and its connecting nodes, that is C के साथ those connecting nodes will be that is D and E. After we have seen that B will be removed now, its connecting nodes are only D, that is already written here. Now it's the turn of D. What are its connecting nodes? F. What is its connecting node? D के connecting nodes are F. What we have seen? We have A, B, C, D, E, F. If we are on level 0, we have A. If we are on level 1, we have B and C both. If we are on level 2, we have D and E both. Then if we are on level 3, we have F. Whereas in level DFS, we have gone through A, C, D, F, and then backtracking to D and B. Thank you so much. Thank you. For further detail, you can log on to www.gurukpo.com.